So now guys, you can see that I have got approval. In your case, it can directly redirect you here as well. Okay, so the first thing which you need to do is that just go to this account here and just click on this account button. Reason why is because here you will see this option of credit card basically. So just tap there and just click on authorize credit card, and guys just put your payment information. Otherwise what will going to happen is that after 3 days they will going to block you. So it's better to put your details immediately. So just put the card, international card like Visa, Mastercard. So whether it's a debit or credit card, whatever it is, so just put that information and just authorize your credit card. Okay, otherwise you will going to kind of face issue with them. Okay, so this is what I want to tell you regarding how you can basically set up CloudWays, and also make sure that they will going to give you option to verify your email. So just tap on that, verify from your Gmail, and then after verifying, your dashboard will be verified. Okay, so this is what I want to teach you, how you can set up CloudWays very easily. Okay.